back with another video. It's your boy Bryce Brown. We lit. I'm home, guys. I'm actually home alone. My parents are not with me, guys. I'm actually home alone, guys, and yeah, trying to take care of the house. And stuff. And guys, we have a trampoline outside, guys. That's the coolest thing, guys. Like guys, our backyard, it has a trampoline. So guys, I'm gonna go in the trampoline right now. So those are baby birds. Those are birds. Hi, bird. Bro. Guys, look. They're actually... Okay, guys. I found something, and it's the baby bird. And the nest. Oh, you guys are so adorable. But they can't fly yet because, like, they're... Like, the baby birds, they have to be, like, big to fly. They can't fly yet. He's like, dude, the mommy, you guys are awesome. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm nice. I'm nice. Yo, like, guys, if maybe feed them bread. Guys, I think I have bread, guys. I'm gonna take care of these baby birds, guys. I'll be right back, guys. Like, birds like bread. Isn't that... You guys want bread? Bread? Yeah? Okay, he's shaking his... Okay, I'm gonna get the bread. Guys, I'm gonna show... I can't wait till Miles come home. Guys. Bread. Guys, I'm back, guys, and guys, I actually got the bread in my hand, guys. I'm about to feed these baby birds, so... Birds, are you sleeping? They're actually... I missed. There's bread right there. Hi. Oh, I'm missing. Bread. Why am I missing? Baby birds. You gotta wake up. There's bread. Guys, look. Oh, wake up, guys. There's bread. You don't bite that. Hey. Don't bite that. Look, guys, bread. Guys, eat your bread. Guys, there's bread on you. Eat it. Guys, you're not listening. Why? I can't wait to show mom. Guys, there's actually baby birds. My brother doesn't know, guys, because my brother's not actually here, guys. This is so lit, guys. Like, there's baby birds here, guys. This is so lit, guys. I can't wait until one of my, like, guys, I just can't wait until my brother comes home, guys. I'm so happy, guys. They are baby birds, and there's bread right there. And guys, I'm really afraid to pick the bread up because, like, I don't think they grow. I don't think the baby birds grew teeth because they're newborn, or maybe they're. I don't know if they're 2 months old or something. But one of them are not eating your food. Hey, don't eat that. Hey, don't eat that. Don't eat that. No. Holy shit, the mom. The mom is there, dude. Guys, the only reason why I had to get down is because the mom, dude, the mom is there. The mom is there. Guys, I'm gonna have to find a way to scare the mom away and get her away. Excuse me. Mom bird. Mommy bird, look at me. Go. Yeah, I hope the mom. Guys, I want to take care of her babies. Like, I'm babysitting them. Are they alive? Guys, because it feels like they're not moving. And that's really... Guys, after this video, I'm going to go on Google and I'm actually going to look up. Guys, I'm going to go on Google. Guys, after this video, I'm going to go on Google and look up if baby birds should eat bread, guys. Like, bread is healthy. Like, you know how ducks eat bread? Why not a bird eat bread, guys? I can't wait to show Miles this, guys. Like, they're actually baby birds and they grow up, guys. They're little. Dude, they're actually baby birds. And guys, one of these days when they get big, they're gonna have to get out of the nest, guys. In the winter time, it really gets cold. So I don't know how. So guys, I don't know if the mom has enough strength to hold the nest to fly, guys. Like, after this is like, it's kind of gonna be bad for them because after this, guys, because like, guys, after this season, we are in summer. After this is fall, then winter, guys. That's really kind of, guys. So I hope the baby birds survive. And yeah, guys, like, I can't wait until Miles comes home, guys. Like, Miles is my favorite person to have. Like bro, I mean, he's my favorite when he behaves. But guys, like, this is so lit, guys. They're baby birds, guys. I can't wait to show my brother. Hope you guys like, share, put the thumbs up, and bye.